Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and view your comment history on TikTok. So if you are trying to find a comment that you made on TikTok, I will show you how to do this. How you can go in and actually delete them if you want to. So first of all, just open up the TikTok application and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on these three bars and go for this settings and privacy. Once in settings and privacy, scroll down to the section label content and display and select activity center. Once you are here, you can see this second option, comment history. Tap on it and in here you will see all of comments that you have made on TikTok. As you can see, for each comment it shows you what your comment was, the comment you are replying to, the date you made the comment, and also who you are commenting to. And you will see a thumbnail on the right of the actual video you were commenting on. So you can scroll through here, see all your comments. If you find a comment that you want to delete, simply select it. It will open up that video and bring you to the comment right here. And now we can see our comment. So simply tap and hold on your comment and tap on this delete and your comment will be deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.